Hey, I will be cooking eggs for breakfast again. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Just hope it stays like that. Let's just hope it stays like that. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna just get a bowl. Don't mind my kitchen. I'm a Filipino, so yes. Yes. Okay, time to put my egg here. It's gonna be a small breakfast because I'm not really that hungry, but I also am hungry, and also eggs are good for breakfast. So, yeah, I'm not gonna eat rice, so don't mind my messy kitchen. And, uh, just hope it don't show. Okay, there you go. Okay, anyways, so now we're gonna crack the egg, but like, I can't really film that, so, hold on. Okay, this is a good view. So, I'm gonna crack the egg. Oh my god. Okay, perfect yolk. Nice. Hold on, I'm just gonna put them, I'm just gonna put this in the sink. Okay, so, now we got a fork to, because it's probably scrambled eggs. You can't really see it because it's gonna spill. Um, sorry, I have colds. But, like, I want to keep the perfect yolk for sunny side up, but it's already, yeah, I'm just gonna, this is way too little. Hold on, I'm gonna get more eggs. More egg. One egg. Woo! Okay, so, oh gosh, the stool, the stepping thing. Okay, I'm gonna just carefully put this on I'm gonna put the phone on the stand. Ah! Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna crack this egg. Oh my god. So far. I mean, it's so close. But it's so close. Okay, another perfect yolk. Yes. Hold on, man. I'm gonna pause the video to put this in the sink as well. Alright. So okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna. Oh god. I think this is how it's done. How it's done. Done. By the way, I watched the K-pop Demon Hunters movie. It was low-key peak. Ah! Wait, gotta add the salt for tasteful flavor. So I got the salt. Okay. So, wait. Hold on. Okay, so I put it on this. Okay, now it's time to put the salt. Dami so much salt. I'm gonna put lots and lots of salt. Hold on, wait. Okay, there we go. I usually get colds in the morning because I kind of sleep late sometimes. Sometimes or like most of the time, so yeah. Why is this Loki satisfying? Kind of satisfying. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna just set up the I'm gonna find a pan. Okay, so which one's good? Either this pan or this one. I'm just gonna use this one because I'm not really sure. Also, fun fact. The first time I cooked eggs was like when I was 8. And I forgot to put salt because I never knew. I just literally cooked it without the salt. So, hold on, let me put oil. Oh, wait. Gotta open it. Lots of oil because... Okay, there we go. Okay, now let me just... Oh, not that bonk. Right here. Oh God. Okay, so now that we have it set, I'm gonna, hold on. Here's the scrambled egg. Okay, so now I'm gonna, oh God. I pray to goodness, I pray to the Lord that this doesn't spill. Woo! Okay, so like, I got the spatula. I'm gonna spread the oil around. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah. I guess it's time to put the egg in, but I'm gonna get the phone stand because I don't want this to fall on the sink or on the floor because, can't stick it, can't see it. But like, I hope this don't fall though. Just, there we go. Oh. Whew. Okay, set it up. Yeah, okay. Okay. Set this up until heats up and then cooks. Did I put too much oil? I think so. I think I put too much oil. Like way too much oil. Okay, hold on. Gotta set it a bit lower because it's already starting to cook. Alright, there you go. I can't speed up the video because like I can't edit it, so you're gonna have to just watch me be over dramatic, over cooking. Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to push it to the middle so that oh my God, oh my goodness. Oh no! Oh no! It's gonna stick onto the pan. It's fine though. It's fine as long as we have lots of egg. Oh God! set it down to 3 light things. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa, I can scrape it, so yeah, it's kind of sticks to it, but it doesn't. You can scrape it out with a spatula. Oop, oop, oop. Hold on. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. It's about scrambled eggs, so like, Don't you know that a fetus like me is gonna cook like an egg? 2 eggs, I guess? Yeah? Okay, no, that sucked. That sucked. I wonder if this is good or if there are still some raw parts. Motorcycles. La. Okay, so, yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! I gotta set it down to 1 or 2. I don't know. Is this good enough? Is this good enough, guys? Is this good enough? I think so. Gotta put it a bit to the center even more. So, hold on. Wait. Oh. Gotta put it to the center. So not the center if you're seeing it from your perspective, because your perspective is the... Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in a little further. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And now, I think the egg is ready. Woo! Okay. I also don't think so. So, yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. And I think we're done. Yeah, it's good. I have to zoom it in out less. Yeah. This is good. Okay, now it's time to put it on the plate. Okay, hard holding this. Not gonna lie. Because... Okay. I'm gonna get a plate. So, yeah, there we go. And then, like, I wonder how big it's gonna be, so I'll get this one. It's not really that big, not really that small. Just perfect, I guess. Okay, so, I don't think I'm gonna film this. Sorry about showing you my awkward kitchen. I don't think you can see you can't see the pan, the eggs getting placed onto the plate. So, probably gonna have to cut this out. Okay, so, yeah, here it is. Here are the eggs. Gotta put it back to the center so it doesn't spill. There we go. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna get a fork. It's so hot. Okay. My favorite one! My favorite one. Okay, so now I'm gonna eat the eggs that I made. I'm probably gonna save some for my mom because I love her. She's kind. She's beautiful. Yeah. Okay, now time to try this out. Okay.